Alright guys, welcome back to Home on the Hitch. Glad to have you here. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything when we post a new video or go live. And give us a thumbs up, leave a comment. We really would appreciate it. If you're a returning viewer, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you have not already. So this week's video is a little short. It's not what we were going to go with this week for a video. We had a great educational video plan that'll be coming out soon, but this is what life handed us, so this is what we're filming and this is what we're doing. So and it does you know, bring up some points that you might not think about when you're traveling in your RV, especially if you're traveling in your RV with your pets. Real quick, I want to say thank you to one of our channel sponsors. That's Micro Air. Thanks guys for being a part of the Home on the Hitch community and family. Make sure you go check them out on the web for all their great products. Got a link in the description below. All right, so let's get started with the video. So a lot of times, coming in the morning, working night shift, right now on this contract, come in and get a little visit by little dog Honey when she hears me come in. So she's always really cute. So we'll see if she comes in this morning. Hello? Oh, I hear somebody. Here's my baby. Good morning. So, yeah, see, sometimes Daddy gets snuggles in the morning when he gets home from work. Oh, I love it. I love it. Do what?
I said yesterday was a rough day for it.
Yes.
Today's
not any better.
Oh, the whole thing, it just exploded.
What happened to it? What's wrong, man? I got some.
Stop! I can't.
What is it? We gotta show the real world.
Oh my God.
So, not the video we wanted to make, but we're gonna have to take baby to the vet, to the emergency vet, because she's done something to her leg. And whether it's a broken toe or a broken toenail or something like that, she won't walk on it at all. She is not happy. And it's extremely painful, whatever it is, because if we just touch it, she goes crazy. But so where you are, fixing to load up and head to Winston-Salem to the vet. Hopefully. What are you doing?
Oh, I'm trying to not crinkle the trash bag while you're recording.
Oh. Okay, cool. So we're heading to the... Wow, why are you crinkling the trash bag while I'm recording? So we're heading to the vet. And I'm not real happy about it, but don't know what else to do right now, so that's what we're gonna do. Honey's not gonna like it either.
No.
Oh my God. So yeah, definitely not the video we were gonna do today, but that's what we're doing today. So we're having to take Hun Dog to the vet. We're out of town and none of the vets can see new patients, so we're having to go to the emergency vet clinic because we don't really know what's wrong with her foot. Whether she's bit her toenail or something, but she's in a lot of pain, so we're going to take her down here. So, but that brings to light, brings to mind, you know, things you might want to consider when traveling with your pet.
What do you do in an emergency?
What do you do in an emergency like this? So, or at least be prepared for it, you know, to have it in the back of your mind that you might have to do something like this, which led me while I was waiting on Melissa to get ready to look at like pet insurance policies, which are, I guess, a pretty common thing these days. But I mean, it makes sense, you know.
Right. It's another reason why you should travel with all of your medical records,
Yeah.
including your pets.
So, I'm sure this is going to be quite expensive, but we'll let you know. All right, so where are we at now? Well, I'll try to do this without too much rambling. Make sure we're recording. We are. We headed out. So, first off, I don't know what the deal is, but I don't know, in the area that we're in, something you might want to consider when you're traveling with your pet right now, no vet could see any new patients. We called probably in a 30-mile radius, 40-mile radius of where we're at, about 30 vets. And nobody could see Honey because she would be a new patient for more than a month. Some of the offices were like, oh, we don't even have a vet on staff right now. So, and I'm like, that's crazy. Why are you even answering the telephone if you don't have a vet on staff? So we drove down to the 24-hour emergency vet clinic, where they were still doing curbside service, and you had to call and check in once you got there. And then they really wanted us to sit with Honey in the car for 5 to 6, 7 hours before they would even come out to pick her up. And then God knows how long it could have been until then. So we opted not to do that. So I think what she's done is pulled or ripped one of her toenails because they're a little long and we need to get them trimmed. And I really think that is. So flipping her over, looking at her paw, there's nothing cut. There's no splinter or anything that I can see. There's nothing bruised. The pad's not ripped. But if you touch that inside claw, she flips out just if you touch it and move it. It's not split. It's not cracked. I think she grabbed it on some of the carpet when she was running inside and playing. So what we did is we went by PetSmart, got a few things, got some doggy aspirin, which must taste pretty good because she loves those. We got some calming treats, and we got a little spray that has some aloe and some other things in it to kind of coat it and help, pain relieving spray. I don't know if it does any good or not. So we got back with that, gave her that stuff, wrapped it up with a little bit of Coban wrap. And once you get it kind of wrapped and compressed, she'll walk on it. She doesn't like to walk on it in the grass, but she'll walk on it otherwise. So we've been going with that. It's still obviously bothering her and pretty painful. While we were at PetSmart, we were able to make an appointment to drop her off on Tuesday morning at 7:30, which is today is Thursday, so not too far away, and I think we can manage until we get there. And if she's much better by the time that comes around, then we can just cancel. We're going to manage it here until Tuesday and see how we feel about it then. But I thought it was very interesting that nobody would see her. Like, how many dogs and cats and animals need like vet appointments every day out of a 30-mile radius, calling 30 or 40 vets, and nobody can see us? And some don't even have vets. I mean, did they all go on vacation, or are we having a vet shortage, a vet staffing shortage now too? But that's something you really need to consider if you're traveling with your pets, is at least to find out, I guess, where the emergency clinic is. If it was something way worse, like if she had an obvious broken leg or something, you better be prepared to sit at the vet clinic for 6, 7, 8 hours before they ever come out to see her. And who knows how much more expensive the emergency vet is. Always more expensive now. One option we had talked about, if things had gotten worse, is we would just go back at like 1 or 2 a.m. and hopefully the waiting time wouldn't have been as much. But all right, guys, sorry that the video is kind of short this week. That's going to do it. But we're taking care of Honey, and right now she's doing great. We have some pretty big things coming up in the next few weeks. It's going to be pretty exciting. So make sure you subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Until next time, guys, Make sure you take care of each other.
Love each other.
Make every moment count. See you next time, guys.